Well, currently we are in the parliament and just outside the Makar Dwar, the NDA MPs have gathered and they are protesting on the objectionable comments made by one of the Maulanas. Right behind me, you can see the NDA MPs gathered over here, where we can see the MPs from the JDU, LJP, TDP as well, and the Bharatiya Janata Party member of parliament from Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha have gathered, and there you can see on the placards it has been written, नारी गरिमा पर प्रहार नहीं करेंगे कभी भी स्वीकार, बेशर्मी की कैसी चाल, पत्नी के अपमान पर भी नहीं सवाल. That clearly means that why it was Samajwadi Party who is silent on the objectionable comments that had been made by one of the Maulanas against the Samajwadi Party MP Dimple Yadav. Remember, it was the Akhilesh Yadav-led delegation who went to one of the mosques just outside the parliament, and there on the dress there were several comments that were made by one of the Maulana as far as Dimple Yadav is concerned, and Samajwadi Party clearly being silent after the entire issue. Now the NDA MPs have gathered that it's a female MP that had been insulted and that will not be tolerated, and why Samajwadi Party is silent over the entire issue. This is Aishwarya Jain from Parliament for NDTV.
A very, very unsavory incident that has blown up very, very big and comes on the threshold of a big debate in Parliament as well. Maria, what are you making of this? How are the big political parties going to navigate this? Is this going to get bigger? Like you said, the ironic situation right now is that you've got the NDA protesting over what should ideally be a bipartisan issue. Is it going to get bigger?
Yes, what's extremely worrying here is that this statement, of course, has been made, and it's absolutely, it angers me. The words which have been used is something which should not have been used.
Horrible, yeah.
She is a member of parliament. I mean, it should not be used against any woman, Shiv. But the ironical situation here is that this is an NDA group which is protesting for member of parliament from Mainpuri, that is Dimple Yadav. They are also saying that why is the Samajwadi Party Supremo and her husband silent over this? Why are other, MPs of Trinamool Congress, which has the highest number of women MPs, silent over this? Why are all of them not joining the NDA in this protest? What should have been a united protest, a united voice by the Parliament of India, where all parliamentarians should have categorically, outrightly rejected, condemned him, and also demanded an FIR. This cleric should be booked, he should be punished, and there should be an action which should prove to be a deterrent. I think that is the only way forward, Shiv, because these kind of comments against women in particular is continuing, and if it is not if the action is not exemplary, then perhaps it's not stopping anywhere.
It's not going to stop anywhere. It's not going to send out a message. And if this cleric is not made an example of,
yes,
and if there is no political unity on such a disgusting remark against a sitting member of parliament, or any woman for that matter in this country, I think, we have a very, very long way to go as a country and a polity. So this is NDTV really speaking on behalf of every Indian when we register our disgust over what has been said, and we hope that there will be political unity on this as well. Vasudha has just sent us another report. Remember, viewer, there are two protests that are taking place outside Parliament at this point of time. One of them is on the voter list, the other is on the horrible remarks against Dimple Yadav, Member of Parliament. Here's another ground report that's been sent to us from outside Parliament by Vasudha Venugopal.
A very interesting protest by NDA MPs here demanding Nari Shakti be maintained and be propelled, and this is with regard to the comments that were made by Imam Sajid Rashidi, who had basically said that the dress, the sari that Dimple Yadav, Samajwadi Party MP, had worn to a mosque near the parliament was indecent and not appropriate for mosques. Now BJP and NDA MPs have come out in support of her, and they are saying that those comments are completely condemnable, and they are saying that Nari Shakti ka apman nahi sahega Hindustan. This is the same place MPs were congratulating each other at the passage of the bill on women's reservation. And today the NDA MPs are basically condemning the comments of Sajid Rashidi and demanding justice. They're also asking why Akhilesh Yadav is not speaking anything, is not breaking his silence, and they're also asking if vote bank politics is stopping Samajwadi Party from speaking anything. We'll have to wait and see how the opposition reacts to this. There are about 100 MPs now, and all of them from the BJP and MP coming out in support of an opposition female MP, saying that there will be no barriers when it comes to comments against women.